In this video, we are analysing SAVA. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue this strong upward momentum? And we can see basically the high we've already recreated at around $50.50 would be our closest of the current resistances. Actually, right below we do actually have one at $46.50, but the key one would be $50 because not only is it a key psychological level, but we can see this is where selling pressure kicked in last time and again struggled to break through. And it is also our third deviation on the 6 month. And this is really why you're starting to see the SAVA momentum slow down, because once we hit this third deviation on the 6 month chart, we are becoming very overbought. So anyone who's a long-term holder is even in locking in profits usually around these areas, just waiting for the stock to fall lower and they can buy in again. And even traders, if they're more reasonable and they're not kind of just holding to the moon, they're going to be locking in profits because these are reasonable areas and kind of high profit areas to be locking in profits. But if we do break this for any reason, we would be looking at $60.75 as upward targets. But really, I could personally see SAVA starting to fade from here because we have already come overbought. Really, though, in total, can't see it going past the $60 if it does do one more momentum pump. Now, onto the downside, what are key supports? Basically where we are now, $42 is our second deviation on the 6 month. Now this is key to note because once we open up on Monday, well, so today, if we start breaking below this level, the key thing to watch is if we come back to retest this $72 and fail, that is a big sign that the momentum has stopped. There's more now sellers than buyers and the stock will most likely continue down. And if that happens, what are going to be that next target? And that is going to be around $33 and $32.25 being our first deviation on both the 6 month and the 1 year chart, with final levels taking us down to around $23, $19.50, $13.75. And again, this will be key because this is a 52-week low. So if we broke that, we could see a further move down to $5.90 and $4.50. But really that kind of sell-off, even in this weaker market environment, probably isn't all that likely. But the way to use these levels isn't paying attention to what's the highest level, what's the lowest level, and all of that. But it's just paying attention to where we are now and just looking to play the levels. For example, if you're paying attention to the downside, you want to see a break below the 42, come back to retest it. And if we fail, meaning selling pressure kicks in, then more than likely you will see a move all the way down to $33. On the other hand, if you're more bullish on this stock, what you want to see is this 42 hold and a move back to 46. And again, then you're just paying attention to that level. Can we break it? If so, come back to test it as a support. If that support holds, then you expect to move to that next level, which in this case would be $50. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.